Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope all of you guys are well. It's been a while since I've done a voiceover video, but I'm back again. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make these delicious olive oil lime muffins. They're so delicious. You barely taste the olive oil. It's so good, and it's kind of like the brother of lemon olive oil muffins. So let's get started. In a clean bowl, you're going to add in your eggs. All the ingredients will be in link in description. Caster sugar. And you're going to mix till light and fluffy. You can do this with a hand mixer or with a whisk. Once light and fluffy, you're going to add in your olive oil. I use extra virgin. You can use light olive oil, any olive oil of your choice. Add in your vanilla extract, and you're also going to add in your lime juice and lime zest. This is only from one lemon. Give everything a very good mix. Once everything is mixed, you're going to add in your flour, and you're going to add in your baking powder and baking soda, as well as adding in the milk. Give everything a good mix again. Sure not to overmix in this process. Just mix till all the flour is dissolved. The batter should be nice and smooth like this. And guys, I tell you, these muffins make your kitchen smell so nice. I forgot to mention earlier to preheat your oven to about 180 degrees, and you're going to increase it as the cupcakes bake. And then once they're baked, you're going to put a toothpick in to make sure it's fully cooked. If there's no batter in the toothpick, it's cooked. Place the cupcakes in a cooling wire to cool completely before adding icing sugar / powdered sugar, and enjoy with any drink of your choice. Have a great day, guys. Bye.